Aloha, my friends. I'm Keoni Hudoba, New York City fitness expert, and this is Get Fit with LiveStrong.com. Today, we're gonna be doing a HIIT workout focusing on lower body and core. Now, today, all you're gonna need is one medium weight. After we finish the full circuit, take a 1-minute break and then do it 1 or 2 more times. Let's get started. You're gonna grab your one medium weight, my friends, clasp onto it with both hands, either on the metal bar or on the edges, and you're just gonna reverse lunge and twist over the leg that is forward, alternating between right and left. Let's get started. Again, reverse lunge one side, twist, good, hitting those obliques and those legs, twist. So I'm really stepping my leg back, making sure to protect my shins of the front leg, drilling through my front heel. Good. Rotators are starting to fire up. As always, your breath is gonna be your support system, so utilize that breath. If ever you need to take breathers, my friends, take a little breather, come back in. Good. Got about 20 more seconds here. So heart rate is starting to come up. In minute number 2, we're gonna get that heart rate well up. On this next one, I want you to hold your reverse lunge. Now with the weight in your hands, all you're gonna do is 2 pulses. 1, 2, plyometric lunge. 1, 2, plyo lunge. Now if the weight ever becomes too much, my friends, drop your weight off to the side. Let this be about the lower half of your body, so you can use your arms more without that weight. Good. 1, 2, switch. Good. Pulse, pulse, switch. Halfway through. Now, if you want it even more explosive, you can use both arms. Pulse, pulse, swing your arms. Pulse, pulse, float it. Good. Excellent. Good. 15 seconds. If we drop the weight, you're gonna grab it right back up. Good. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stand on up, shake out your legs. Weight's gonna go into your left hand. Now I'm gonna kickstand my right leg right behind me, so I'm pivoting on my right toe. You're gonna deadlift into your left leg, shift back up, then side bend towards your left. Again, deadlift, melting down the front side bend into your left. So right toe barely on the floor, hinging your chest forward, sliding your glutes back, shift up, side bend. Excellent. On the side bend too, you wanna bring your fingertips up to your temples, bring it right up to your temples, little side bend action. Good, melting into those glutes, melting into that lower body, as well as hitting the left oblique. Excellent, my friends. Now we're really gonna feel this left glute fire up on tap. In 3, in 2, and 1. Step your right foot back. Now we're gonna play with balance today. Option 1, from here, stand up, just tap your right toe on the ground. Reverse lunge right back into it. Option 2, more advanced. Bring your right knee up, good, shift it right back down. So again, if you have trouble balancing ever, try pressing the tongue on the roof of your mouth, okay? Thinking that puppet string straight through the tip of your head, going down your spine and helping you, levitating you up. Good. Excellent, nice and smooth. Stealth. Excellent, 15 more seconds here. We're gonna hold that reverse lunge. Good. Sitting into that left side body. In 3, 2, hold your reverse lunge. Now everyone bring your right fingertips to your temples. Sink into that lunge, marinate into it. All we're gonna do is just a side bend. Towards the left, back center. Left, back center. Now, something to know about me, my friends, is I love a flow in a workout. I want one movement to organically go to the next, We got 10 minutes together, so we gotta make it effective, right? Good. Excellent. 30 more seconds. We're gonna go explosive for 45, then we'll get a 15-second little shakeout. Good. Exhaling. Inhaling. Again, that balance has got to trigger in, especially with that weight in the left side. Good. Less than 15 seconds. We're gonna drop our weight well outside our left foot. We're gonna go right into a runner hop. Good. In 5, 4, 3, hold your lunge, okay? Now set the weight outside your left foot so it's nowhere near. Pivot your body forward, right fingertips on the ground. Now you're gonna hop off the left leg. Get explosive in this. Can you guys see my sweat just flying over towards you? It's like bullets. Boom, bam, boom. Here we go. Up and down. Now, if that's too much, you can always tap, drive. Tap, drive. Good. Everything we've done on this side, we're gonna hit the other side, my friends. We get a little shakeout coming up in 10 seconds. Excellent. Left leg is burning. Again, focus is lower body and core. In 3, 2, and 1. Shake it on out. Now we're gonna do everything we just did, other side. Shake out your arms. In 10 seconds, weight's gonna be in the right hand. Left toe's gonna be slightly back, simulating that single leg deadlift, okay? You're gonna melt down the front of your right leg, press through the right heel, squeeze your glutes right into that side bend. So again, melt down, good. Shift up, roll your shoulder blade back, right into that side bend. So our focus is now on the right side. Good, excellent. Little side bend here. Good. Our heart rate is up. It is up. We're breathing heavy. We're feeling good. We're feeling fit. We're feeling strong. Excellent. Good, my friends. Squeeze at the top. Again, shift. Boom, right in. 5 seconds, we're gonna step that left leg back. Weight will still be outside our right leg. In 3, 2, 1. Left leg's gonna step back in that reverse lunge, okay? Again, option 1, come up, tap your left toe barely on the ground, balancing on your right, okay? Option 2, shift into that reverse lunge. From here, utilize your right leg. Exhale, bring your left knee up. Good, right back down. Again, shift up, right back down. Good, about 30 more seconds here. I'm sad. We're almost done with this 10 minutes. And then you get a 1-minute breather, and then you get to do it all over again. So exciting. Good, excellent. 15 seconds. We're gonna hold that reverse lunge coming on up, friends. Left leg will be back, right leg will be forward. Last rep. Good. Left leg is back. Again, right leg forward. Bring your left fingertips onto your temple. You melt into the right side, pull back center. Melt into the right side, pull back center. Excellent. Melt, pull. So a good thing with these counterbalance moves too, pick a point of contact with your eyes. It's like you're doing a spin, right? Pick a point of contact, whether it's on the floor, directly in front of you, a sign, something. Stare straight at that. Use that as your balance point, okay? Little tricks of the trade. Good. Beautiful. Excellent, friends. I am very sweaty right now. I hope you guys are sweating as well. We got 10 more seconds. We're gonna set that weight outside our right foot. Make sure it's nowhere near that foot. Safety first. In 3, 2, set the weight outside. Left fingertips on the ground. Again, option 1, drive. No hop. Option 2, give me that hop. Good. Beautiful. Driving this home. We're in our final 45. Excellent. We earn that breather coming up. Good. Excellent, my friends. Final 30 seconds. Power through your legs. I want you to feel the power all the way through those toes, driving up your legs, coming out your fingertips, coming out the tip of your head. Final 15, right here. Good. Excellent. You are strong. You're powerful. Final 8, 7, in 6, 5, in 4, 3, 2, and 1. Mahalo so much for tuning in, my friends. Again, I'm New York City fitness expert Keoni Hudoba, and this is Get Fit with LiveStrong.com. Chee-hoo!